Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
This is Tsholofelo, this is Friend. Welcome to another session with me and my girl.
Hi guys, nice to meet you. I'm Friend.
Well, this is a different girl.
Tsholofelo.
Today we are having a dinner session and it is going to be a would you rather video. So we have, yes, we are having Chinese fried rice. It is rice that has beef, right? It has chicken.
Has prawns.
Yes, let me find a prawn.
It has eggs.
It has prawns, yes, it has eggs as well. They call it a specialty rice. Yeah? Special rice.
Onion and
Yes.
yeah, whatever.
Spring onions
but
as
it's
well.
very nice.
So we got it at our local Chinese restaurant as a takeaway, of course. So this is Tsholofelo, my longest friend ever. This is my best friend, guys. Right? That one was also my best friend. I've got two best friends.
Yes.
It's creepy, but yeah, I've known her for I think my entire schooling life.
Very long.
Yeah. And then in high school we became friends and then we became best friends. So friend, let's get started. I can ask the first question.
Okay guys, we are doing would you rather.
Yes. We also have sorry guys.
The first question is would you rather have more time or more money?
As in die young.
I think that's what they mean.
It's a tough question. I love my family, guys, but I love money. I would say have more time.
Okay, now they not being specific, would say how much time are they talking about? No, they can't say 20 years, no. How about if they were like 60 years, they were like, okay, let me have my money. But in this case, I'd say time with my family. Yeah, and not being broke as well. No, I don't want to be broke.
No, it
I
doesn't
wanna
say anything about being broke.
I
It
want to
says
have more
more
time.
money.
Yes.
It says more money or more time. It doesn't say we have to have money or have time. It says
Yes.
more money or more time, right?
Yes.
It does say that. Yeah, so I definitely go for more time with my family. I love those, madam. Dude.
Trust me to say that.
Question number 2. Would you rather feel worse if no one showed up to your wedding or to your funeral? I don't know.
I'd feel,
It's high, isn't it?
but I feel worse. No, to my wedding, no man. I know the important people would show up, so I have no worry about that. And if they didn't show up, it's fine, as long as my husband is there.
No, guys.
So for me, it's fine.
For my family, I'll be dead. So I want them in my wedding. No, for my funeral, I won't be there to see it. So if my family is there to send me off, I'm happy. But for my wedding, even my enemy must see that I'm getting married. Never.
Right?
No, there must be more people.
It is what it is.
Than my funeral, sorry.
So yeah,
They must see.
it doesn't really matter. I
They
feel
must know.
the important people will know and they will be there, so it's fine. And the next question is, would you rather work more hours per day but fewer days, or work fewer hours per day but more days? Should I repeat?
No, I understand you.
Okay.
It's lesser days, more hours in a day, or more hours. And yeah. Repeat again.
Would you rather work more hours per day but fewer days, or work fewer hours per day but more days?
I would honestly work more hours
And fewer days.
and fewer days. Yes.
I'd rather not work.
You'd rather.
But to answer the question, I'd rather work more hours per day and fewer days because I love sleeping so that I can get enough rest. So yeah, more hours per day.
Then working
Yeah.
like, imagine just waking up every day for 2 hours.
Every
Like getting 1 day
I'm
off.
busy, guys.
I'd rather put in 12 hours and get 4 days off than actually working less hours, because once you start working, your brain goes into that mode, and you know, time flies. So you might as well just work longer hours.
I 790, guys. Land
Yeah, and question number 4. Question number 4. Would you rather become someone else or just stay you?
Why would I want to be someone else? I'd rather stay me, guys. I love being me. I'm happy with who I am. No, I wouldn't really want to be Noxolo. She has a lot on her plate. I'm sure she wouldn't want to be me, but yeah, I'm fine with being me. Honestly, yeah, I wouldn't want to be someone else. I'm fine with being me, and the happy. Don't know
I just feel like if I say, I want to be someone else, and then I turn out to be like Ipara, and I'm like smoking drugs. So definitely not. I think I love my life. I definitely stay me, with just, you know, little fat, like on my body, not just, you know, chunks and chunks of it, you know. And ever since lockdown, guys, I'm watching my portions.
Guys, we are not like,
yeah, you know, in my pictures I look, you know, when I pose,
see.
but now, no, it's bad. But yeah, life happens.
Okay. Next question.
That's you.
It's you.
Really?
Yeah.
It was me, you. Oh, okay. Would you rather read an awesome book or watch a good movie?
I'd rather watch a good movie, guys. I'm lazy to read. Ngithanda abantu kodwa incwadi mangifunda hlomuwise so.
Exactly.
But other than that, I'd rather watch a movie. Short things and action, you know. So reading, ngizofunda bese ngiyalala. Something movie, it's just 1 hour, 2 hours. I know what's going on already. So honestly, I'd rather watch a movie than read. I'm not saying I can't look food, but
No,
I'd rather watch a movie.
I'd rather read than watch a movie. I'd honestly just, I'd rather read, because I felt like, you know, when we read the Tsholo series, that we read that, and I felt like I got in touch with emotion yakhona more than I would if it was in the movie. I still say, when people say they want that book or those books to be like turned into movies,
no, I also
it
don't
will
want
lose
that
the value. Yes,
we all have our
imagination of how they look,
how they dress, the way they explain it in the book.
Exactly.
So Masabayadala will be like, this is not exactly what I had imagined. So and then we're gonna get bored. So I understand what you say. As I said, about Hlomuwise, so I'd rather read those kind of books. But other than that,
yeah,
guys,
but they say a good book.
And easy. Okay, next question is: would you rather be a kid your whole life or an adult your whole life?
To be honest, this was not the adult content I signed up for. This is not the Twandim Dala that I signed up for. Right? But I wouldn't want to be a kid forever. I'm sorry. I wouldn't be able to drink my bev. So I definitely say adult.
Okay. Bahlali. I'd rather be an adult. What's your whole life? No, man. But I'd rather be an adult. Being a kid is so much. Being an adult is a lot as well. I'm not denying that, but I'd rather be an adult. You can do your own things. You can make your own decisions.
Does this mean we didn't have a great
And
Don't.
no, we did. We did. It's just that we've experienced being an adult. I mean, being on your own.
Makes sense.
Guys, kumnandi.
Yes. Because we are both from Joburg,
yes.
but we currently live in Durban.
Kumnandi kusebenza. Everything is just nice. Going out, you don't answer to anyone. I'll shower. So it's really nice. As difficult as it is, but I wouldn't want to stay a kid, no. So my answer is nope, or rather not.
Yeah. Next question. We have question number. What question number is this? Okay, so question number 7. Would you rather go on a cruise with friends or with your spouse? Sippy spouse.
Are you talking to me? I got because I'd rather go with my friends. I'd rather go with my friends. Ubay ngahamba naye. Masiye ku vacation, but I'd rather go with my friends, have more fun. I'm not saying I wouldn't have fun with a partner, but in this case, guys, makes
sense.
I'd rather go out with my friends. I'd just rather go out with my friends. Why? You?
Well, I haven't found a partner suitable to go with, so I'd definitely take my friends. It's more fun, less drama.
Yes.
No one
guys.
watching me. I get to go crazy,
Completely.
and you know when you're in a different environment, you want to go crazy. So definitely.
And
would
when you
go
are with your
my
friends, there are things that you do
Yes.
that you wouldn't do.
we look
with
ask
your
a question.
person.
I ask her a question. I tell her what I want to do, and then I know it's not right. So it's not conventional.
Just waiting for confirmation.
Exactly.
Go ahead, friend.
Yeah.
Do it.
So if your boyfriend's there, of course. If I'm telling my friend I want to wear a 2 centimeter skirt, and then she's like, do it. But if your boyfriend's there, that's not gonna happen. So
Yeah.
and it's easier for me to say my friends because being a student, saying a lady, that's all you can say.
Yeah, so now me guys, I'd rather go out with my friends. Sing happy. Okay, next question is me. Would you rather date someone you met online or go on a blind date?
Okay.
This is very
I feel like going to a blind date is less riskier and safer because it's always in like a controlled environment. Unlike going to see someone you've been dating online, for all I know, you're a serial killer. So I definitely just go on a blind date. It makes more sense to me to go on a blind date because the sites that actually put together these things and the security is always their number one priority. Unlike online dating, what am I going to do when I'm going to meet this person for the first time? Or you meet the person and they actually are who they say they are, but they don't disclose that they have mental issues or they have issues that they've gained in the past, and you know they have trust issues. Next thing is beating you up, GPV. So definitely go out on a blind date.
Hey guys, online dating, I've done it.
She has.
I go to we met. We did meet online, but okay, story for another day. So,
Danger Khafar.
yeah, guys, I was in love. Surprised, I was really in love. Going on for a year. The person was exactly who he said he was, and yeah, I was happy. Yeah, guys, I would stay up for 3 hours phoning. Going to school the following day, 4 a.m., 2 a.m. on the call, telling each other how much we love each other. But I think now I would go on a blind date because it's a public space. We just meet there, and if I don't like what I see, it's very easy to walk away.
Exactly.
Because if I date someone online,
I think what's best
end up
is
sharing a lot of things. Because abantu baqamba amanga, guys. Umuntu uzozenza into engasiyo and now you open up to that person, and at some point,
No, it's your friend. Blind dates though. It also depends on who organized it. I think I confuse speed dating and blind date.
yeah, blind
Yeah.
date, I wouldn't go to.
Yeah.
I'd
Sorry,
go,
guys, but that's so sad.
and if he suggests, okay, let's go for a date, let's meet, it's fine. Maga suggest in now, and if I feel good, I'm not comfortable with that place, and I'm like, okay, let's rather go to this place. Then if we are them, no. But yeah, I think blind dates, online dating, manje. So hey guys, boys can trouble you. So no, I wouldn't do blind dating. I wouldn't do online dating now. Blind date is fine.
Okay. Would you rather have bad breath or bad body odor?
Turn off, guys.
No, but
Body odor kanjani ayamakhwapha guys. This thing is, so you get a very bad headache from but umlomo as well, guys. You go to doctors, there are things that can be done, and if you take care of yourself, as difficult as it is, but you have to be consistent now in taking care of yourself, because you know what you have a problem. So you cannot go to Tsholofelo or wash amazinyo wakho once or twice a day, knowing very well what you have a problem. You have to eat sweets, you can't use the same Colgate knowing very well also when you have a problem.
you can use the same
Like
Colgate,
higher.
not toothpaste.
Same Colgate. Same Colgate as me. Or it was a toothpaste. I use Colgate, guys. So you don't wanna. You would have to
So
take
it's
care of
Colgate
yourself.
Aquafresh.
Currently, actually, yeah.
So it's Colgate Aquafresh kind of thing.
Colgate Aquafresh, guys. So no, I wouldn't have any of the two, but my biggest bamla. Body odor long as see guys, because whoo, bomb.
I would say
Bed breath is fine.
I'd take bad breath.
Yeah, bed breath is fine, because there are ways, man. You can I can go get a mazinyo once or twice a day, you know, and you have to have a specific toothpaste. You eat whatever you have to eat, you know,
Right.
and take care of yourself. So yeah, bed breath. Now if I
Yeah, I'd say bad breath. You can always eat mints. You can always. Plus now it's COVID, we cover. So, but yeah, I'd rather that than. Yeah.
Okay. Another question. The last question, actually, guys, is: would you rather be with someone new every week, or only one person your entire life? That's one kid.
I would rather be with one person my entire life. I can't. One person my entire life. That's just it.
Me too, guys. Every week, how am I? Oh, guys, like no.
Exactly.
No, wow,
So
come
just
out there. So no.
one person.
I'd rather be with one person my entire life. And yeah, I'll be happy. It won't always be nice, but I'll make it work. We'll make it work if we want to. So one person my entire life.
Yes. So there we have it, guys. Thank you for joining us tonight. I still have like something to share with you. I am unboxing my ring light. It came through today after I've waited for it from someone else. I ordered it from a different place. They didn't deliver, and then they refunded me, and then now the Take A Lot came through. So they came, actually it took a day, to be honest. It was a day, and it was delivered. So that's up next. Enjoy my unboxing. Please do like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Press the notification bell to get notifications every time I post a video. And don't forget to comment with any questions that you might have in terms of what I'm wearing. Okay, not really, this is just a gown, but this. Or my hair, or Tsholofelo's hair. Let us know, guys.
I was supposed to do the closing, so I don't know.
I'm not
anyway,
closing.
Guys, I was gonna say nice meeting you, but no. Okay, guys, it was great being here. I'm gonna see you next time.
It was nice meeting you.
Please subscribe. I'm trying to see it. Please subscribe to our channel.
Behaving fingers on
subscribe to her channel, and tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends, your aunties and gogos and everyone to subscribe to this channel. Notification gang, we see you, we appreciate you. Please comment. And thank you, guys. Be safe guys during this COVID time. It's very bad.
Need to
the thing to hear and see it's not nice. So stay home and be safe. So bye, see you next time, hopeful. And this is my hair.
Hi guys, so finally my Take A Lot order has come. I have a selfie ring light. Why am I smiling? Because I'm not showing you the video. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it quickly. Guys, it got delivered at work. You see, it's got my name on there. Like, I felt so important. And I paid for it. I use those online payment thingamabobs. Okay. I don't know what kind of sellotape this is. This is not sellotape. This is cardboard tape. Ew. So we have a lot of papers that we don't know what they're for. Like, they don't have a purpose.
Cover paper.
It's a cover paper. So this is what we're looking at. It's a 10-inch LED ring light. I think that is about 26, yes, it is 26 centimeters. And then the power, the maximum power is 10 watts. Illumination, I don't know what that is. It's an LED light. And then I Ngastraglisha nge pizza box manje what? Oh my god, where's the stand? Okay, I didn't really plan this. But I have a tripod, so we'll make it. Oh yeah, I have a tripod, guys, so we'll make it work. We'll put this in the tripod because wow. Okay, this goes there. Yes, it has a phone stand. So guys, I can put this up on the tripod and then I can put the phone stand in. Yeah, I can put the phone in the phone stand. Like, you know? It stretches. Okay. So yeah, I think I'll show you how it looks once I do the hair. But now I just wanted to see what was inside and what it comes with. And then there's this, you know, to switch it on and then choose the light that you want. So you choose the level of the light that you want, and then I guess you just manage it from this, right? And this is like a charger. No, where are the instructions? It does not have instructions. Yay, guys, it's on. Look at this. Okay, let's do a video of me in this. I'm gonna look very crusty, but We're just testing it out. Oh, hi! Look at that. Friend Nama Bev. Oh, this is friend. The other one was Chomi. Let's see. I think this on its own is a video.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Siadima. Okay, no.
As I said that. Hey guys, Sebash.
Yeah, it's all in the Ringlight.
Hello.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Never mind the crustiness, guys.
Krusty is our middle name.
80% of the time we're like this.
Oh, I love this, guys. Like, I would totally recommend this to anyone.
It's worth it, guys.
It is worth buying. This one is a 10-inch one. It is 26 centimeters. It was on sale. I got 35% off. So I ended up paying, I think it was 649. Yeah, so that's what I ended up paying. Imo, let me try and find nice lighting, and then I'll continue talking.
And I'm just here looking pretty. Or crusty, or whatever you want to call it.
So yeah, guys, I really love my selfie. What do you call this? I really love this ring light.
It is a
selfie
ring light.
right?
It's anything you want to call it, as long as there's light in your wording.
Let me switch it off and see.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Hello!
Wow. Yeah. I'm happy, guys.
So nice.
We're happy. We live in a house full of natural people. I'm as fake as it gets.
No, darling, this is not fake.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Do you want to close it?
Subscribe to our YouTube, to her YouTube channel. It's Pixie Noxie there by YouTube. You must search it. Please subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe, and they must tell their friends to subscribe. Let's make money, guys, and help each other make money. Bye, love. Never mind my nails.
Like the video. Yeah.
Bye.
See my nails.